Hi everyone, we're here at Wells Beach and having lunch, looking at the water, and I wanted to share it with you. Beautiful ocean, so let me get my face out of the way and show it to you. So this is Wells Beach in Wells, Maine, just a few miles from where I live. It's funny, I'm here all summer long, just a few miles from it, but here we are November 1st, and it's the first time I visited it this year. Because of all the tourists and everything, it's kind of hard to get down here and enjoy yourself. And I'm hoping very shortly I'll be out there fishing in my Panga. However, well, you'll see in my next videos, I'm going to be wrapping it up soon because the weather's getting colder and it's time to get it on my other trailer, fix my trailer so I can put it on and put it in the garage until we either make it through the winter or find a new home. I think I mentioned to you before, we are looking for a new home up in northern Maine. And look at that, those breakers way out over there. You can see the line of rocks. So it gets really deep, then it gets really shallow with those rocks breaking, which is one reason you don't see an awful lot of boats here. There is one way out there, if you can see it. Way out there is like looks like a white cap, but it's actually a boat. Sometimes you'll see a lot of the big ships there, the what do you call them? Not storage ships, cargo ships on the horizon, but not today. So it's a beautiful day. Wanted to share it with you. I'll let you look at it for a little while longer in case you want to meditate. Here, I'll give you the 360 of where we are. Oh, there's Raluca trying to hide. And there's the sun coming out. Hope you have a wonderful day like we are. Bye-bye now.